Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily lock Instagram on your iPhone, so if someone get access to your iPhone they wouldn't be able to open up Instagram app and see your photos, videos and all the Instagram content at your profile. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first get into settings, then get into screen time. If screen time feature is disabled, just enable it by hitting at the switcher right here towards the top of the screen. On my device it's enabled, and on that step you need to be sure that screen time passcode is enabled. If it says use screen time passcode, it means that screen time passcode is disabled, so I'm gonna hit right here, and now I have to set a new screen time passcode. Don't make it obvious like 1 2 3 4 because someone can guess it easily, so I'm gonna set it to 47511 for example, then I'm gonna re-enter it. Now it asks to enter your Apple ID, so if you forget the screen time passcode, you can use your Apple ID to reset it. So I'm just gonna enter my Apple ID, then tap at return to move on to the next step. Then I should enter a password. After that I can hit at return again, and I have just set a screen time passcode for a screen time feature. Now you can, once you did that, you can enter app limits, then hit on add limit, then enter the passcode that you have just created, and on that step you can choose any apps that you want to limit. I'm gonna hit add social. It shows me all the social media apps on my iPhone. I'm gonna check mark Instagram and hit on next. On that step I need to select the time limit for Instagram app. I'm just gonna set it to 1 minute. So from now Instagram app will have 1 minute limit of time spent on the app, and after that the app will be locked for the rest of the day. I'll show you how it looks like. So just hit at add. You can see Instagram limitation right here, and then you can go out of settings, and as you can see Instagram icon is great right now because I have already used Instagram today for more than 1 minute, and now it's locked. I can tap at that icon and it says that you have reached your limit for Instagram for today. So if someone get access to your device, they can see anything right here except that screen. But you can hit right here at ask for more time, then you can hit on enter screen time passcode, then just enter a passcode, and right here you can select between 3 different options. You can approve it for 15 minutes, you can approve it for an hour, so give additional limits for 15 minutes and for 1 hour, or you can approve it for all day. So I'm gonna hit at approve for 15 minutes, and after that I can use my Instagram for the next 15 minutes. That's it. Now you know how to lock Instagram on your iPhone, and now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Also, I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, where you can find a lot of useful tutorials. Just check the link in description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.